In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email to send later in Microsoft Outlook. Fast 2025 Guide. Scheduling emails is a great way to reach people at the right moment without having to be at your desk. Here's how to do it quickly in Outlook on the web. Start by opening your browser, searching for Microsoft Outlook, and signing in to your account. Make sure you're logging in securely and to the correct account you want to send from. Once you're in, switch to the mail experience if you're not already there. This brings you to your inbox where you can compose and manage messages. Click New Mail to open a fresh message window. Begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Double check spelling here to avoid bounce backs. If you're sending to more than one person, you can add additional addresses now. Next, type a clear, concise subject line so your recipient knows exactly what your message is about at a glance. Move down to the message body and write your email. Keep it focused, and if timing matters, like a report due in the morning, mention that context. Take a moment to proofread because once it sends at the scheduled time, it goes out just like a normal email. Now, instead of pressing send, look for the small arrow next to the send button. Click that arrow to reveal more options. Choose Schedule Send. A scheduling panel will appear so you can pick exactly when your email should go out. Select Custom Time to set your own schedule. First, choose the date from the calendar. Then pick the time you want. Keep time zones in mind here. Outlook will send based on your account's time zone, so if you work with people in other regions, consider scheduling for their business hours. If you're unsure, aim for mid-morning or early afternoon in your recipient's local time. When your date and time are set, click Send. You'll see confirmation that the message is scheduled. From this point, Outlook will hold the email and automatically deliver it at the time you selected. You don't need to keep your browser open or stay signed in. Microsoft servers handle it for you. That's it. You searched for Outlook and signed in, went to Mail, composed your message with the recipient and subject, wrote the body, opened the menu next to Send, selected Schedule Send, chose Custom Time, picked your date and time, and clicked Send. With this simple workflow, you can plan emails ahead and communicate more thoughtfully without having to remember to hit send later.